Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Best Talks. In this video, we are going to see worst days in history from different countries. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Vietnam in 1955. Iran Blackpool building collapsed in 2017. Sri Lanka terrorist attack in 19. Brazil Nightclub surface fire in 61. Peru Lima blast in 2001. Indonesia Indian Ocean tsunami 2004. Ukraine Chernobyl disaster in 1986. Canada Halifax explosion in 1970. Philippines MV Donna Pass in 1963. Pakistan school massacre in 2014. Saudi Arabia Mina stampede in 2015. France Paris attack in 15. Australia Black Monday in 87. Turkey earthquake in 2003. Bangladesh 1971 Genocide in 1971. China Great Chinese Famine in 1958. USA September 11 attack 2001. Poland Holocaust 1933. South Korea Spanish flu 1955 to 1953. Spain Spanish flu 1980 to 1920. Iraq ISIS attack 2017. Malaysia Flight MH370 in 2014. Japan atomic bomb in 1946. Germany WWI 1939 to 1945. India Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984 to Mexico Mexican American War in 1846 to 1848. Australia WWI in 1940. UK Titanic accident in 1912. Russia Cold War in 1947 to 1997. Iceland Laki eruption in 1783 to 1784. Syria earthquake in 2023. Egypt Black Day 1346. China coronavirus in 2020. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Best Talks. Thanks.